Hey y'all, so I'm back. Is my voice so annoying, you guys? Well, who cares? I'm back from the mountain. Bitch, the sun's still up. It ain't even go all the way down yet. But I swear I couldn't take it no more. It was like a buzzing in my ear, like zzz, like constantly. I swear I tried to like get away from it and just enjoy. I swear, because that's the reason I walked up there. I would still be chilling right now, but that fly kept like zzz in my ear on the other side, this side around my head. I swear, I feel like it was like chasing me back down the hill. I was like, you got it, it's yours. So I came back and I took my wig off because it was hot at AF. And I was like, I took my wig off because first of all it's hot, and because when the fly was following me and it was like constantly buzzing, I'm like looking up looking for the fly because they are huge. So it's constantly buzzing and I was like, damn, is it in my wig? So I just snatched my wig off. But y'all, like, it was, I know I'm thick, okay? I'm not fat, I'm thick. It was so beautiful, y'all. Like, I'm definitely gonna go back tomorrow so I can see like the sunset for real. But that buzzing, like that buzzing, I couldn't take it no more, so I left. So tonight I'm about to go do like a 20-minute meditation. And what, make sure I shut the door. You said, can y'all come? Of you? No, I don't like when people watching me with my eyes closed. I'm hella funny. You know what I can't wait for? I cannot wait until the sun goes down and the stars come out, because that's one thing that I do love, is looking at the stars at nighttime. I feel like if people go outside and they never like look up in the sky, like, what's wrong with you? Look up. Say geez. I'm still recording. Let me turn this off. Cup. This is so beautiful, guys. Okay, I'm back. The sun is still setting. Yeah, it's almost down. But I'm about to eat dinner. Look at my dinner, guys. Okay guys, this is survival cooking. Now listen, I haven't had like any good flavorful food in a couple days, so we're about to hook this up. Sauce, dump it in. Okay, now I'm gonna put my egg in because it's gonna take a while to cook. So now I'm gonna do some, I think this is a green onion. That's what I think it is. My camera battery's about to die. Let me just use it. I don't know what kind of leaf that is, so I'm gonna just leave it right there. I'm gonna put my mushrooms in. I'm definitely gonna put this tofu in here. I'm loving this. Crab meat, fake crab meat, no thanks. Yeah, all of that. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm in the tent. I ate dinner already. I made it good. I feel like they could have gave me a little more. They didn't give me no seasoning, so I had to make flavor with what I had. So what I had was some green onion looking vegetable, but I made it good. Like, I prepared the broth. You know, they had pork because they had pork and shrimp. I tried to request chicken earlier, but all they had was pork. So I don't really eat pork like that. So what I did was, because I wanted something flavorful. Bitch, I'm hungry. So tonight I ate pork broth. And I put I don't eat pork because every time I eat pork I get a headache. I swear. Like every time I eat a pork chop or something like that, I get a headache. And every time, like when I kept getting headaches, I started like thinking about like, okay, what am I eating? Every time I ate like a pork chop or something, I got a headache. So I think it was the pork. I'm trying to stop eating meat all together, like, but I'm such a savage. Like I be wanting chickens sometimes. I'm proud of myself because I haven't eaten any like chicken wings or french fries since I've been on vacation. But I'm hungry, you guys. I swear to God, I'm hungry. But I'm hungry as fuck. Like, now I see why Asian people be small, cause bitch, these glass noodles. This is dinner. Like, I need some. I know it was because I was hungry that it was busting, but I made it good. Yeah, so right now, I was about to take a bath, but that motherfucking bathtub, bitch. Did you see how many bugs is in that bathtub? I'm talking about, it's not even the amount of bugs, it's the type of bugs. Like, it's some shit in there that I had never in my life seen before. It was some like queen ant looking bug with like I'm talking about long grasshopper antennas. I'm talking about the antennas was longer than the body of the bug. I'm talking about the antennas on there was like the antennas that used to be on the TVs, and then put it on a little ant body. Bitch, I'm not getting in that tub. And then there was this big ass flying Madagascar cockroach looking bug. Y'all can have this area. So I turned the light off over there, and I was hoping that they would, you know, eventually go away. They still over there. But I really want to take a bath. Like, it's a vibe. I want to get fucked up in the bathtub. I already drank I already drank my soju or whatever, so I'm feeling good, you know. Shit, I'm trying to get a lady. The fuck? This is the part traveling by yourself where you wish it was somebody else traveling with you. Cause you be wanting to, like, you know, turn up a little bit, but you never alone. I'm never alone. I know that. So, bitch, we finna turn up. Bitch, I'm finna get in that bathtub. Do y'all think I should get in the bathtub? I'm scared, but I'm gonna get in there. Hold on. This is the determining factor if I'm gonna get in that bathtub. Let me see how hot the water is. Because if it's lukewarm, no thank you. I'll wait until the daytime. If that water is hot and steamy, bitch, I'm staking claim over that area. Come on, y'all. Let's go see if it's hot. Because this is the determining factor right here. I swear to Bob. Who is Bob? I should have got me 2 bottles of soju. This shit was good. It was real good. Y'all, so the bubble that I have, like, I'm in the corner. Like, I'm not in between 2 people. I'm next to somebody, I don't know, below somebody, and right next to the motherfucking jungle. So the area where the bathtub is like all open. And that's like open, and then it just drops. Straight off the edge, drop. Okay. Bugs be big as hell, hold on. Okay. Let's see if I think that's doing good. I think that's good. Okay, come on, hot water. Just so the water can be hot. Is that right? Or should I put it on summer? Why would they put winter and summer? Just put hot and cold. Okay, so this is what I'm about to do. I'm about to schmout. Then I'm about to take a shower and smoke at the same time. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so let me get my towel. I'm gonna bring y'all with me though. Alright. It's us. We in this together. I know I left y'all once, but I'm not gonna leave y'all again. This is my wig that I took off earlier. My stuff. Where's my lighter? Here's my lighter. And I'm about to go take a shower. The shower's running right now. Hopefully the water is like cold again. But the way I'm shooting these videos, I can't keep it like running because I only have 2 SD cards and both of them are like 2 hours. So I got 1 hour and 47 minutes left. It should last me a day until I get back to the city so I can go to that cafe and edit some videos. I can't smoke in here, you guys. So I'm gonna smoke this whole fucking thing and I'm gonna be knocked the fuck out. Oh my gosh. But not too knocked out because I need to get up and go to breakfast. Speaking of, let me set my alarm for breakfast, bitch, because I'm not missing breakfast. What time I need to wake up? 8 o'clock? I'm there. My legs. Okay, so I just set my alarm for 8 a.m. so I can eat breakfast. Okay. Get my towel. Need a washcloth, bitch. A washcloth. Because I don't have my exfoliator, so I'm just going to use this washcloth. And boom. Oh, and I'm going to use my new face stuff that I just bought. So I bought this stuff from the mall. I bought it from this lady to like just, you know, support her or whatever, because her motherfucking stand was empty. Nobody was there, bitch. But she was a good sales lady. And also she helped me point me in the direction where I can get some shoes from, some little cheap one day shoes. So I circled back and I supported her and I bought this. And it's actually pretty good. So I'm going to use this on my face today to exfoliate, because I really actually I do not have an exfoliator. So that's another reason why I bought it, because I didn't have an exfoliator. What the fuck am I talking about? Come on, y'all, let's go. Okay, get the exfoliator, get the soap, and let's go. I really hope can't nobody see me like through this in my area, cause bitch, I'm trying to be out here naked. Like, bitch, I'm trying to be living my best life in my natural state with no fucking clothes on. Like, so I'm using their little basket that they had in the room. I'm gonna take this to the shower. Should I just go ahead and wash my hair? My hair is fucked up, y'all. Should I go ahead and like wash it, or should I just leave it? Mountain water, so this should be good water, cause they have like a river. The river is like a dirty dirt. It's like a dirt river, but the water should still be good, right? Cause dirt is like a filter. It's not like murky. It's just like dirt water, like brown dirt water. Whoosh. So that should be like a filter, right? The bugs are so loud. Oh, it's still like warm. Okay, I'm gonna try to get into this water, y'all. These motherfucking bugs are bold, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna pause it, y'all.